खाना आ गया, खाना आ गया।
भाई जो है देखो BTS का फायर दिखाता है।
दिखाता है, हैदराबादी बोल रहा है।
चलेगा मामू।
Do a review
अपना कंपनी
of a Korean video
बिहारी
in Hyderabad accent.
Hello guys, welcome back to Joy Joe, and with me I have
GT again.
This is Harshit, this is Karan, this is Rachna, and we are watching BTS Fire.
You've seen one BTS video before.
Yeah, I've seen one
Dope.
BTS video, dope video.
Just watch it, like it. If you don't like it, cool. Just listen to the song. I like the song. I was pumped up. Yes. You, you can see that before the video.
When Harsh introduced me with that video, I've got some new inspiration from their video. These guys are doing like really good. A nice music composition accordingly to the era is like really interesting. So let's see. I'm really excited.
Here we go.
Carry on.
You all were talking a lot.
So you just decided to bark?
That's growl more than bark.
I guess mom got me.
One has a pink hair, one has a pink shirt.
Orange hair.
He's like my character, Andy. That hoodie guy.
Grey hair.
Hey Andy, how are you Andy?
पीछे dope बज रहा है dope उनका ही song है वो भी dope.
that by the way is going to be a new song.
You gonna search for Andy?
I think this should have been our last video.
Huh?
불타오르네.
The same line cycle again. It's all right to do.
Everybody say la 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 la. Say la 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 la. 소리 들어.
The obsessed with fire and the obsessed with gravity.
불타오르네.
This song is in English.
It has sounds.
No, still the wordings are
A
good.
lot of them are.
Burn it up. 전부 다 태울 것 같이. Turn it up. 새벽이 다갈 때까지. 그냥 살아도 보여 우린 저기에. 그만하는 널 원수적일래. 수적거려 난 사람인데. So what? 네 멋대로 살아. 네 거야. 애쓰지 좀 말아. 저도 괜찮아. Everybody say la 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 la. Say la 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 la. 소리 들어. 소리 질러 burn it up.
This is the part I love.
Hey, nice.
So they can party in the kitchen also.
Yeah.
그만 자 여기
You did Wawa because you know the Wawa too much gonna come.
추억을 들고 all night long 생각나는 발걸음으로 뛰어봐 미쳐버렸다
He lovely step, yeah.
This drop, especially this drop.
Nice.
Catchy.
Okay.
खत्म नहीं हुआ. Yeah, the man in the hoodie. Who was the man in the hoodie?
Because why not?
Good finish.
싹다 불태워라.
Boy meets what?
The song was catchy. It was like, somehow you can just play it on and dance.
That's what I've been doing. Like literally, this is what I've been doing.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Well, there are very few songs that I have downloaded of K-pop,
But I guess
obviously.
they have this fancy towards fire and graphics.
Like to play with it and
They put fire wherever they can. There's a chance of fire डालो. इधर कुछ है fire डालो ऐसा.
Oh, but this had a small subtext which I did not know, which again Arati Balakrishnan told me that the first thing that happens when a unknown person just comes up and fire hota hai, lit hota hai. All of those are supposedly to be their haters. That denotes the haters. BTS ke
You just
haters.
face them with a smile and then just remove them.
Put fire, and by the end of it he is saying I'll forgive you. ठीक है. Mazat.
now I get it.
Today I'm going to give you two different tracks. From my point of view and from the producer's point of view. From my point of view, a typical common pop track. And from producer's point of view, it's a typical pop finish track. An industry standard track. Mark my words. Common industry standard track. First of all, be eligible to make an industry standard track
first. Yeah.
whether it's a flop track or hit track. This shows your potential. Overall programming, arrangement, and the composition is having some standard, industry standard. Now I'm coming to the listener's point of view. It's a nice track. You can play this track in any club. Ultimately, it has a good drop. Two genres, especially hip hop. I really like the hip hop trappy beat.
I like the rap section of the song.
I personally enjoyed the video before I knew the meaning also. And especially this last drop.
Last drop.
There were 3 drops in the
Yes,
entire song.
Yes.
The first drop is like, okay, there is this
Yes,
drop. Then second was like, okay, there is the second drop. And third was like, this is the drop.
And like
Dance to
maybe
it
you'll
now.
think
Okay.
싹다 불태워라.
why we listen to the whole track? Just because we are very connected to that artist.
That is actually very true. If I don't know this person, मैं पूरा सुनूंगा भी नहीं. The video was really well made. I at a point of time मैं इधर खुद नाच रहा था with them. Video has so much of energy in itself. I get completely why they named it Fire. इसके लिए बहुत high budget था. दिख के आ रहा था क्योंकि एक location नहीं था. There was continuously locations are changing. Everybody's at different places, different time. They're doing their own thing. And the entire group comes in, they're performing, they're dancing. The dancing was amazing.
Yes.
It justifies the name Fire.
They are roaming around, so they put the car on fire, they put the aeroplane on fire. That I don't understand, like why the aeroplane, why the bicycle, why?
They are saying burning it up all.
So
Burn it all,
you said
burn it
that
all,
it's
put it everything
haters
on
that they're
fire.
burning, but then
That's just the start. Then
Okay.
then just burn everything.
so whatever's coming in the way, they're just burning it off.
Yeah. Any obstacle burn it.
Okay.
Even the building was an
The cycle
obstacle.
was good. They used that cycle in blood, sweat, tears. Why did they have to burn it?
They burned it before. Then they got into blood sweat. We bought a new bicycle.
I really like this band, and
If you like this video, you can subscribe to this channel. You can share this video. And please follow him. Please listen to his music because his music is awesome. His one of the tracks won a competition and that made him meet Hardwell. And coincidentally, before that track released, he used to be called India's Hardwell. Not a lot of people know that. He has been ghost producing music for a long time.
you can find my whole album. That's called Skyline in Beatport, iTunes, Juno, Amazon, etc. etc.
You will find all of that information on the description box below. So go down, search, and I'll prefer that you all stalk him on SoundCloud because his music is awesome.
This is Arjay, this is Karan, this is Rachna, and this is very randomly I'm pointing out to people. You can introduce yourselves.
Are you trying to exercise?
Yes.
Continue. Please subscribe to JoyJo.
Yeah.
Amazing channel. And you can follow us on the links provided below. So,
And-
bye-bye. And
ठीक है bye.
ठीक है,
We are
bye.
done for the day.
That's it. Dot.
For the video. Fire.
By the way, I've removed the poop emoji.
Oh, congratulations.
I use my own face now. Yeah, because if I've used poop emoji enough, I start feeling my product is shit. And I don't want people to feel that subconsciously later on. So I've stopped using that.
Good.
Cat face.
Or a dog face.
Oh, you want monk face? You can tell me directly.
In that thing that you put your face only.
It's not about the one track or one big hit track. You have to make a combination. Big hit track. Yes.